My name is Tanisha. I am 7 years old. This is a Shona lesson, and today I am teaching you a song about the sun. Zuva. Again, Zuva. The words are Zuva idenderedzwa guru. Riri mudenga denga. Rinopisa nyika. Rinoomesa nzizi. Uye rinopisa masango. The tune is na 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 na. Now let us sing the song. Zuva idenderedzwa guru, riri mudenga denga, rinodzisa nyika, rinoomesa nzizi, uye rinopisa masango. Thank you for listening. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and find us on www.shonandebele.twitter.com. Thank you.